Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to a layer in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see right now, I am dragging a new image. If you drop it here at the very top, it will open as a new project with that image. As you can see, that's not what we want. So what we have to do is you will need to drop it into existing workspace like this, and then now this image appears in the very same document as the new layer, and you can drag this image in the top and now you can see it. Now keep in mind this image still pulling from the original source, so we can now scale it up and transform. At some points you may be required to rasterize this image, so left click on it and simply click on this rasterize. This way you will get a basic pixel based layer in your project. So that's the whole trick. What else you can do is you can go for this file and you don't have to go for this open. If you go for this open, it will add in the new project. So you have to go for this open and place, and then it will add this image in this same document. So these are the ways. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add an image to a layer in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.